Hey guys, welcome back to my video here. This is part two of everything that came out during the Apple WWDC event today at 1 p.m. It happened. It finished around 3:10. So awesome event here. I'm also talking about Eastern Standard Time, not Pacific. But the best product that came out, most wowing product that came out, and it exceeded even my expectations and a lot of people that I heard's expectations. And this is the Vision Pro, Apple's Vision Pro, finally getting an AR platform. It is not VR, so I did want to make that clear. I am so glad they didn't go that route, that it's augmented reality, not like more of a virtual reality type of thing. Obviously, as you see here, you can see what they look like, breathable material. They did a lot of work. I think they said over 10 years this was in the making. Congratulations to Apple for finally putting this product at least to be seen. It won't be available until early next year. It is going to be $3,500. I did want to go ahead and mention that. So it's very expensive, but it is 10,000% worth it. I am going to personally, I would love to get one. Will I say I'll be one of the early adopters to get one? Probably not. I do want it to come out first and some reviews, and then I'll be looking to get one. It is extremely expensive, so I don't know how my finances will look then, but it's 110% worth it. I want it so bad. It is the number one product that came out today that I will want, and I don't think there's anything else that's going to top it for a long time. So getting into it, spatial computing, obviously, as you can see, this is an absolute banger of a product. As you can see, the home screen is like the first thing that comes up. You're able to resize screens to anywhere you like and however big you like, using no controls, only your hands, eyes, and voice. You're able to immerse yourself into the product. It's absolutely incredible. You can see what it looks like here and here on the right hand side. Those are speakers, so it goes straight into your ear. So where you're putting it here, this is where the driver will be, and it'll go right into your ear. So it's really close. It needs obviously a lot of cooling. It's 2-chip powered. It's R1 and M2. So it's not anything pro related or anything like that. This is more like for a little bit more simpler tasks, even though they did say that you are able to do some higher level tasks, just not like video editing and stuff like that, but computing tasks, 3D renders and things like that, you're able to do it for sure. You can see all the different cameras. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 cameras they have in this thing. It is absolutely amazing. It is 4K micro LED. This is the first time Apple has announced micro LED. They've been working on it for, I believe, 10 years as well, micro LED. I've heard of micro LED for micro OLED, I'm sorry, for over 4 years, but I know they've been working on it for about 10 years as well, like people have said. So awesome that it was finally being able to be put into a product, and it will be coming out next year, like I said. This is the audio straps is what they call it. These are right here on the right and on the left hand side. So it's going to be spatial audio, so it's going to sound like the environment is truly around you. It's going to be pretty awesome to see how that comes together. Like I said, the headband does expand back and tighten with the dial here. So it is really, really cool that it does give you that ability to be flexible. It's breathable. Obviously, even if you're sweating, it's cloth material, so it's not going to be nasty or anything like that. Not going to wear very easy. So that's really nice. Obviously, like I said, micro OLED for the display technology. It's about the same as a 4K TV. It has more pixels than a 4K TV because they're micro. So that's why you won't see any pixels at all. It is going to be a completely smooth transition. That's what micro OLEDs are able to do. So it's really nice for the eyes to be able to see that. Also, if you're wondering, people with glasses like me, they are going to offer something to put that you can buy to put on them, to where your people with glasses, it'll be able to adjust your eyes to whatever prescription you're on, and it'll let you see it without needing the glasses part. Obviously, if you have contacts or if you don't need glasses, it's obviously perfect for you. You don't need it at all. You don't need to buy that extra thing that's going to be coming attached to it. I forgot. I think it's I don't know if it's Rexel, some other company that's making it, but it is going to be really nice to have, obviously, for that. It has a really nice seal. So it's like a rubberized seal, and it does conform and bend to your head shape. So really nice that it does that. Here is the digital crown, and this is your level of immersion. So you're able to keep the immersion either in panorama, you can put it in regular mode, panorama, or full length environment, depending on how much you want it immersed through the digital crown, which is a great idea, by the way. Power button on the left-hand side there. Not power button, sorry. That's for photos and videos. Power button is on the other side, on the left-hand side. So that's the one where you're gonna get it to turn on. Oh, you're gonna be able to turn on when you put it on. I'm sorry. This is the power. This is external power. So you have 2 hours of the external battery, supports the 2 hours of use and all-day use when it's plugged in, obviously. So if you have this on the go, like on an airplane, nothing, just make sure that you have this being able to be plugged in, obviously. But that is the extensive look at the Vision Pro. Let's look more into what it actually does. It's just like a desktop. Look at how cool this is. I don't think you guys understand, like, my level of excitement when I was watching this was unreal. I couldn't believe this is what Apple's putting out. This is the most revolutionary product to me in a very long time. It was bigger than the watch for sure when the watch came out, because the watch couldn't do much. I remember when it first came out. So it's definitely bigger than that. This is just so revolutionary. I love the way that you're able to just extend it. It has a virtual keyboard, so you're able to press virtually. It also does work with a regular keyboard and mouse set, so that's really awesome. So that's something that I'm extremely wanting to try out so bad. I am going to go to an Apple store when this is available to put it on, check it out, and see what it's like. I'm so happy that Apple is putting this out. This is going to change for sure. You're able to game on Apple Arcade with a controller, Bluetooth that's hooked up to it, which is really nice. Something I didn't know that they were even gonna do, to be honest with you. They didn't do too much focus on gaming, and I'm glad they didn't, because I think this device is more for every other use other than gaming, to be honest with you. It's just nice to know that you can game on it. This is a pro version, obviously. I don't know if they're gonna be putting out a regular version. That has not been discussed or mentioned. A lot of people are saying they will. I don't know. That very well could happen. But if they do, I don't know what chip they would use, because they're already using a basic chip in this one. So I don't know. I don't think that's going to happen right now. I think they're eventually going to put the Pro and give it a Pro chip, and eventually leave like something like this with a lower chip going on in the future. But I think first off, it's going to have to be the Pro, because they need the money. They need to know if this product's going to sell good and what it's going to do. Obviously designed by Apple. It took a long time for them to put this together. Absolutely beautiful. You can see all the ways here. Absolutely awesome. Also, it gives you a virtual screen of your eyes when you're looking at somebody, so you don't have to be immersed in it while you're in a conversation with someone. If you do want to go back to your apps, you just kind of like look off and bring the apps back, and it'll let that person know, hey, that you're busy, pretty much, which is a really nice feature to have. Oh, I don't know if it shows here, but the Vision OS is going to be what they're going to be calling the operating system, obviously. So really nice. You're able to push and pull forward to you however you like the system to interact with you. These are some of the common apps. A lot of 3D or a lot of third-party apps are going to be going on with it, so that's going to be really nice. FaceTime calls, it's going to use your persona that you're going to use for when you first get it. You're going to have it scan you, so when FaceTime calls come in, you can still see that person, and they'll be able to see a digital persona of you talking to them. So that's really cool. These are the different ways that it's kind of comes off with different backgrounds. Like I said, you're still able to connect. It's going to show your eyes to them, which is really nice. It pushes all the boundaries. You can see it taken apart in each individual parts and how it comes into this. It is so nice. Like I said, really nice spatial audio. great tracking, sophisticated sensors, and this is what I was talking about, the M2 paired with the R1, really nice combo. So like I said, nothing too crazy in terms of being a pro or max, but definitely something for you to definitely check out. Make sure to like, subscribe to you guys. When we get more information about this, I will definitely put it out. This is an amazing product. I cannot wait for this to come out early next year. Like I said, I probably won't be an early adopter. I'm gonna watch some of the reviews, but I am super interested myself. This was the best product that have come out in so long. Great WWDC. And like I said, make sure to like, subscribe. Next event, September, that's the iPhone event. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching my latest video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.